Hello, Daryl, 63 and counting. Just wanted to go over a few Father's Day items to get you in the mood. Father's Day is coming up, and Lowe's has some really great deals. I just chose a few to share with you. Right, first off, we have it says Top Gift, that 20-volt half-inch keyless brushless. This is a brushless tool, which is important to your dad. Cordless drill. It has a battery included, 90 bucks, 99 bucks. You're saving 80 bucks. So if your budget is high enough to get that, it would be well received. Your father would love it. Next, we have that Master Forge grill tool kit and carry bag combo, $19.98. Helps your dad with the grilling. It's got some nice tools. Next, we have like a griddle set, the culinary 6-piece stainless steel. $59.99. This is by Blackstone, which is a very high quality brand in the grilling market. How about a work apron? Your dad got one that's kind of ragged. Here's a very nice one by Carhartt, $59.99. It comes in black or brown. Super nice to have if you're working in, especially in the wood shop. Keep some of the debris off of you. Most of us dads love a good hat. Here's a nice Carhartt men's. This one's in black, but they also have white, like a blue, brown, and 7 other colors. So just about any color you want, baseball style. It's got the vents in the back, $32.99. Most dads love Carhartt stuff. Not saying every dad, most dads do. If your dad likes to maintain your cars and theirs, here's a very nice set from Armor All. It's a 9 count, and it's got various things in the can. It's got your waxes, it's got your washers, it's got your interior cleaner, it's got your Armor All, it's got your glass cleaner, everything in one nice neat little bucket for $29.97. If you're just starting out, your dad might be interested in, or your husband if you don't have your children yet. Young guys, if you don't have any tools yet, here's a very nice pair of drill and drill driver sets. This is a combo kit. It's got 2 batteries, a charger, and the drills for 99 bucks. Save 50 bucks. It's a very nice set. As you can see, it's got great ratings, 1939 positive. So I highly recommend it. I've had a set of these for years. I have other brands as well, but these are great. So don't hesitate if you're looking for a gift. Most of the men will love it. AirTag. These are very handy for a variety of uses. As you well know, you stick them in something and you can follow up wherever it's at. You don't have to wonder where your tool went or whatever. Some dads are into the Kobalt line. Here's a 24 volt 1/4 inch brushless cordless. That's important, cordless impact driver. The battery is included. Saves 60 bucks, 99 bucks. Here's a nice DeWalt power bank. So it's got 2 ports on it, $49.99. Pancake compressor. If you don't have one or your dad needs another one to run a pneumatic tool, 99 bucks. That's by Craftsman. And how about a wired floodlight? And this is a floodlight camera because it's from Blink. It's a very nice addition to your set if you're already using Blink cameras. $29.97. Look at that. Save 70 bucks. They must be trying to clear these out because that is a great deal. That comes in black or white. These are just a few of the deals out there. I'll try to share more, or check my channel. You'll find many more. I hope this has helped. I hope you'll give me a like and subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.